village of Deluna, and we are looking at an emerald model. This is nice because you've got a golf cart garage with a golf cart included in the rental, and you've still got a large garage for your car. Let's go in and have a look. This is a 3-bedroom, and one of the bedrooms is turned into an office. So as you can see, this space here, nice work from home, big space. If you're needing to work from home, there's an area for you there. Emerald's really nice with the big open living room, dining room space. Seating for 6 here. Great, comfortable living space. And the real nice thing about the Emerald is this great kitchen. Big countertop, lots of cupboards and laundry right in the kitchen, which is great, nice and convenient. Here's the 1.5-car garage, so lots of space for your vehicle. And at the back of home is 2 bedrooms, the master bedroom and the guest bedroom. So we've got the guest bathroom here, really nicely decorated. Village of Deluna, fairly new village, probably 2.5 years old now. Really nice because you can get over to Brownwood real quickly. Lots of golf courses over at the Fenny area. You can get down to Sawgrass quickly. The Deluna Rec Center is really nice with pickleball and a pool. Look at this nice king-size bedroom. Got double sinks. Walk-in shower and walk-in closet. This is available for short-term rental. You got the TV on the wall here. Really convenient location, and because it's a newer home, it just feels so nice. Let's go out the side here. There's a space for setting up a barbecue and sit and have a coffee. You got this nice area here, nice and private. So if you're looking for a short-term rental in one of the newer areas of the villages, the village of Deluna, Emerald model, this is a great spot for you. Hope you enjoyed the tour.